Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial video series. Today in this video we are going to complete exercise number 35 in Fusion 360. First of all, we will draw this 2D profile, then we will extrude it up to 60, then we will create these holes, then these holes one by one. Okay, so first of all, create a sketch. Draw a 100 mm length line. Make it center. Okay. Next thing is it is 5 mm upside and this is 55 from here and this is 5 mm, so from here it is 50. Okay. We are using D as a shortcut to dimension. This is 50 and this is 8 and it is at the midpoint from both sides. This is 46 from this side and similarly this is 46 from this side and it is 8. So 46, automatically this will be also 46. It is showing over constraint. Now the next thing is trim unwanted lines and then finish sketch and extrude it using symmetric, and the total length will be of 60. Okay, next thing is we will create a hole of dia 30 on this plane. This is dia 30 at a height of 30 and horizontal distance from this edge is 30. Okay, so it is fully constrained. Extrude tool, drag it outside to subtract it from main body. Okay, now the next thing is we have to create this extruded profile. Okay, so this extruded profile is in both sides. It is 14 overall from this surface to this surface. It is 14 and in between this is 8. So 14 minus 8, so that will be 6. So it is 3 from here and 3 from here. So let's create a sketch and then we will draw a circle of dia 34, then finish sketch, select extrude tool, then we will select two side extrude and now we will select this arrow, so we will extrude it to 3. Okay, operation will be join. Now we will extrude this side and this is automatically subtracting, so we will make it to join and its overall length from this surface will be 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, that will be 11 plus 3, 14. So this will be of 11 and the operation will be join. So okay, so here we have our these extruded profile and we have used two side extrude method. Okay, now the next thing is we will use fillet tool and fillet, select the edges, so these edges and radius will be of 10, enter. Okay, next thing is we will create a hole of dia 20. Okay, for which we will draw 20 dia circle, which is 30 from this side and 23 from this side. Okay, and 24 this way. Finish sketch, extrude, subtract this. Okay, and now extrude this. So 5, this is 8 and this is 5. 8 minus 5, that will be 3. Okay, similarly do it here. 20, 24, vertically it is at 30 and horizontally it is at the 23. Okay, finish sketch, extrude tool, make it visible, specify the value 3, operation join. And now the next thing is, we have created this one, this one, this one, this one, all this. Now we have to do fillet. So fillet, select the edges, and here its radius is 15. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.